Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present a program written in C++ that demonstrates how to create dependent from a string. I use nested loops, and this program is a simple yet powerful example that showcases the use of array, loops, and conditional logic to manipulate and display data. The main purpose of the program is to take a printing string and display it on the creation pointer for instant give the string Oscar of Christmas name. The output will look like this shape. So the first step is string manipulation. How to work with this data in C++. Loops. How nested loops function to create the pointer. 3 basic logic building skill, fundamental programming skill for beginner. Okay, step number 1 is include the IO string. Include the string header and namespace. The program begins will include namestring deliberately used for input and output operation. Using namespace std simply for the use of cout and syn without pressing std. The next step is string declaration. String declaration, the next part of the code, declares a string as an array of characters. The string Oscar is stored in an array of characters. Each character is stored sequential memory, and a visible null character marks the end of the string. The string has a total length of 5 characters and 1 null character. The next step is calculating the length of the string. Variable panjang is initialized to 0. For loop iterates through the string until it reaches the null character. On its increation, the value of panjang is incremented by 1. At the end of this loop, the variable panjang has the value 5, which is the number of characters in the string Oscar. In the last step is nested loop for the pattern. The core of the program is nested loop structure. Initialization in I to equal panjang start with the full length of the string. Condition ensure the loop continue until a character are printed. Decrement in here reduce the length of the output by 1 in each incrementation. Inner loop initialization in G equals 0 start from the first character of the string. Condition G ensure only 1 character are printed on each line. Increment ++ G move to the next character, and will you get the output like this. So the next step is the next program what I have done math is inputting nickname and student ID number using character array in C++ programming. The first step is importing library and namespace. I use the iStorm library for input-output operation such as syn and cout. The std namespace will utilize to allow functions like cout and syn that we use without a std prefix. 2. Variable declaration. I declare 2 integer variable x to store the length of the nickname and y to store the length of the name. 3. Inputting the name and name length. The program prompts the user to input the length of the nickname. This value are used to dynamically determine of the size of the array. And here the character array declaration. Here there is the practical result. Here the result item from the practical at work. First, the test case: if the user input a nickname length of 3 and name length of 5 along with character OSGAR for the name and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the name, the program will display your name. Second test, the program can also handle different lengths for the name and the name, such a name length of 5 and the name length of 3. The program still produces output consistent with the input data. Character declaration: I declared two arrays ARNAME and ARNAME with size of x plus w and 1. Respectively, the plus 1 accounts for the space required for the null terminator. 5. Inputting character of the name and name. Using a for loop, the user is asked to input each character of the name one by one. Once all characters are entered, a null terminator is added at the end the array of ensure it can be processing as a string. So the conclusion is program is excellent example of how C++ can be used to manipulate and display data, utilize Q programming concepts like loops and array, which are essential for any program which is like modification. This program can be added for various use cases, make it both versatile and educational. So thank you very much for the watching. Sorry, maybe I have been mistake. Thank you.